Students, myself JB Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed, ZVC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic learned behaviors. What is behavior? Behavior is what an animal does and how it does it. Learning is also considered a behavioral process, pioneers of ethology. Learning is the modifications of behavior based on a specific experience. Learned behavior ranges from very simple to very complex. Progresses over time tends to follow learning curves. Learning is not compulsory. It is contextual. It does not happen all at once, but build upon and shaped by what we already know. Types of learning behaviors: habituations, imprinting, classical conditioning, trial and error learnings, latent learning, insight learning, reasoning learning, and cognitions. Firstly, habituations. Habituations is a loss of responsiveness to stimuli that convey little or no information. If a noxious stimulus is applied, the animals becomes sensitized to the stimulus. Or habituations is a decreases in response to a stimulus after replaced presentations, explanations. The habituation process is a form of adaptive behavior that is classified as non-associative learning. Habituations is the decrease of a response to repeated electing stimulus that is not due to sensory adaptations or motor fatigue. Second one, imprinting. Imprinting a type of behavior that includes both learning and innate components and is generally irreversible from learned behaviors closely associated with instincts. Imprinting are distinguished from other types of learning by a sensitive periods or limited phases in an animal's developments. That is the only time when certain behaviors can be learned. A rapid learning process by which a newborn or very young animals establish a behavior patterns of recognitions and attractions to another animals of its own kinds or to a substitute or an objects identified as the parents. Imprinting and examples of imprintings is young geese following their mothers. Conrad Lawrence showed that when baby geese spent the first few hours of their life with him, they imprinted on him as their parents. Second one, conditional learning. By conditional learning, we means where someone is conditioned to behave in a particular way by rewards and punishments. A process in which an animal learns to respond to a stimulus which does not normally elect that response. Trial and error. Trial and error or trial by error is a heuristic methods of problem solving, repair tunings or obtaining knowledge. Learning does not happen from failures itself, but rather from analyzing the failures, making a change, and then trying again. Trial and error is not to be confused with experiments. Latent learning. Latent learning is a form of learning that is not immediately expressed in an overt response. It occurs without any obvious reinforcement of a behavior or associations that are learned. Interest in latent learning arose largely because the phenomena seem to conflict with the widely held view that reinforcement was necessary for learning to occur. Insight is a learning theory. Immediate and clear learnings are understanding that takes place without overt trial and error testings. Insight occurs in human beings when people recognize relationships that can help them solve new problems. Reasonings, the drawing of conclusions through the use of reasons, evidences, or arguments used in thinking or arguments. Next, animal cognitions. Cognitions is the ability of an animal's nervous system to perceive, store, process, and use information gathered by sensory receptors. Okay, thank you, students.